Pre-emergent weed control, the key to a low maintenance lawn. Pre-emergent weed control is essential to establishing a barrier between your soil and your upper plant material to ensure that weeds are killed before you and I see them. Pre-emergent weed control bonds with your soil and kills the weed through its emergence process. If you're tired of pulling weeds left and right or having to go to your local hardware store to pick up a bottle of Weed Be Gone and burning spots all throughout your yard, make sure you're using pre-emergent weed control throughout the fall and spring months to ensure that you're killing that weed prior to its emergence past the turf grass. Kill that weed after it's already emerged, because not only is that a cumbersome task, it can also be damaging to your lawn. It's always better for your turf grass health and less taxing to kill that weed before you and I see it in its early immature stages. So make sure if you're looking for pre-emergent weed control that you give us a call here at Weedex Lawn Care, so that way one of our experts can get out there and apply that treatment to ensure a weed-free lawn throughout the entire growing season and off season.